Hi, this is Mycael, and today it's finally here. We have the GoPro Display Mod for the Hero 8. Now, we got this because, once again, Chandra and I are not always together, and we've been finding using the phone, I'm always looking down or off away from the camera. Yeah, and not at the camera. I'm looking at the phone wherever it happens to be. So we're hoping this will help with that, because our biggest issue when shooting by ourselves, like I am today, is that I can't always see what the camera sees. So we're hoping this is going to help with that. So this is going to be an unboxing so you can see what comes in it. Okay, so just like the remote, looks like there's a big user manual and the usual safety instructions. Paperwork. What is this? This looks like a case of some kind? Yeah, this is a case for it, it looks like. And GoPro always makes this cardboard hard to pull stuff out of. You've got a USB charging cable, so I imagine this is going to charge with USB-C. And it looks like maybe it's in the case. That was difficult to pull. So once again, like the remote, if you have hand dexterity or low vision, this is very difficult. There was no indicator for me other than this tiny, tiny, tiny little groove here where to open this case, and it took a decent amount of force to get that to open. But here is the display, and it has a little micro USB cable coming off of it. I don't know where that hooks on the GoPro, but we're gonna see if we can figure this out. So I have Chandra and I's other GoPro here that's not shooting, and we're gonna see how this goes. So it looks like it's going to slide into the groove on the top of your GoPro. I'm just going to gently wiggle that until it stops. And then you can angle the screen up or down. So that's what it's going to look like. I still have no idea where this other part connects. Aha! Looks like it's back here for everyone. It's a little tricky, but it's going to go in the top port above your charging USB-C port. So that's all there is to it. Hope this helps.